Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another wonderful video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling us how to promote your videos on YouTube to actually start getting the views. Okay, yes, a lot of people complain about not getting the views, not getting the subscribers. Okay, today I'm going to tell you what you can do to start upping your YouTube channel game. Okay, so if you know you're interested in this video, sit back, relax and keep watching. Make sure you watch till the end because the final point is the bomb. Okay, yes, so guys, without wasting much of our time, let us dive right into the video. Okay, now YouTube as a platform has made some necessary arrangements, okay, with its features which enables you to promote your videos, push your videos and help your videos to get the required views. Okay, but the thing is that many people do not make use of those YouTube features. Okay, so today I'm going to be telling you step by step about the YouTube features you're supposed to start making use of so that your videos can start getting the views. Okay, for context guys, this is one of the videos on my channel. This particular video did not pick up until I implemented what I'm about to share to you guys today. As you can see, this video has 4.6k views, 125.6 watch hours, 180 subscribers. Then you can see the impressions. The impression is 76,116 impressions. Okay, so this is just to tell you that I am not here to blabber, right? So let's get back to the video. Now, the very first feature you need to start implementing is what is known as end screens. Okay, yes, in YouTube there's a feature that is known as end screen. Okay, end screens usually come at the end of the video. Okay, the work of this end screen is to help push your videos, okay, so that once your particular video is done playing, those clips that you've attached as your end screen, someone watching your videos can just click on them and start watching your videos. Okay, so you see that it is very important. Okay, make sure you start today to input end screens in all your videos. Okay, now the second YouTube feature which you need to take very seriously is what is known as what? Cards. Yes, cards are those clips that you usually see in between people's videos. For instance, if you're watching someone's video, as you're watching, you can see a particular clip that usually pops up. Okay, and why does it happen? It happens so that if someone sees that and the person is interested in that kind of video, the person can just easily click on it and start watching the videos. Okay, so if you're not putting cards in your videos, I mean, what are you waiting for? You are sleeping. Wake up and start adding cards. Start making use of the cards feature. Okay, now the third YouTube feature you need to start making use of, if you are not using it, is what is known as what? Playlist. Yes, I actually did a separate video concerning this playlist. Okay, do not joke with your playlist. Playlists are very important, not just even on YouTube, but for the sake of this video we are focusing on YouTube. Okay, playlists are very important. Okay, playlist is like a folder where you group your videos. Okay, for instance, if you are talking about YouTube tutorials, you can group your videos that has to do with tutorials in one particular folder, otherwise known as playlist on YouTube. Okay, so that when people come across your channel, they can just go to that playlist and watch all your videos. Okay, so playlist is also a very important YouTube feature which will help you to start getting the needed or the required views. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, or from what you've noticed, my baby is actually disturbing. So we're going to be stopping here for today. I believe with these three features I've mentioned here today, these three features are game changers. All right, so do not play with them. Up your YouTube game this moment. Okay, so guys, if you know you found this video helpful and valuable, do well to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.